पैसा अर्न कर सकते, रिस्पेक्ट नहीं अर्न कर सकते. I too am an accidental actress and didn't even want to become an actress.
Where you'd probably tell your grandchildren one day कि देखो ये.
I'm not going to tell my grandchildren to watch anything, please. I'm not even very interested कि मैं मरने के बाद and all. I'm like, I mean, I should enjoy it.
दो स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग होते हैं. एक जैसे अक्षय कुमार कहते हैं कि देखो मैं शूट करता हूँ, कैरेक्टर में घुसता हूँ, when I'm done end of the day, I'm out of the character. और एक नवाजुद्दीन है और रणवीर कहते हैं कि देखो मैं घुस जाता हूँ कैरेक्टर में.
Then you asked about the घुसना वाला.
In Omkara, how was the experience with Ajay, Saif, all of them?
There was some prank that they had pulled off where I think it was Holi and they had mixed bhang and thank God I was not involved in it.
सबको पिला रहे थे क्या? Has there been any film जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि आपने अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं की है?
I have done some 55-60 films.
जी.
Out of that I would say 20-25 अच्छे होंगे.
इरफान दादा के साथ. Can you walk down some memories with me?
काम के बारे में बात कम ही होता था. ये कुछ खाना या शूट या नसीर भाई और some because we were also doing यूं होता तो क्या होता.
Possibility है for another part of that? Are there conversations around that? Or Wake Up Sid, another part?
Definitely Wake Up Sid. मुझे कौन क्या ही मना करेगा. मेरे पेरेंट्स ही नहीं कभी कुछ मना किया. I was not brought up like that. I mean, I took my own decisions from a young age. When I was 5 years old, my parents asked me, do you want to be Konkona Sen or Konkona Sharma? दूसरे लोग क्या बोल रहे नहीं बोल रहे. Number one, it's really irrelevant to me. How people are saying, how people are perceiving. So if I don't get alone time, then I just become a horrible person. Ajan actually was not a big commercial success. In fact, it led me to believe that maybe the more fun you have on set, the worse the film does. And the least fun you have, the better the film.
Films are not everything for you.
See, first priority is humanity.
Have you ever been treated unkindly on the set at any time?
Social media, including, can make or break an election. As has happened, I think, in the US. I live my life in service of other people. Then somebody says selfie, I'm just like, no. And then I can scold people also to not be recognized at a restaurant. In fact, sometimes when I think, nobody can really tell I'm here and I'm fully dabawing. And then suddenly somebody asks me, and then suddenly somebody's asking me for a photograph, I feel betrayed. I was like, yeah, here I was behaving as though you can't, like, this is a very dangerous thing. You can't be asking ChatGPT about feelings.
What does the word stardom mean to you? How do you define that? And is that important for you?
Well, they needn't be actors. There are some personalities who just need people. I've not understood anything. I don't know what code, what cam. I don't know. You're reminding me of my teenage daughter. Stop talking so much. I don't know who you're hanging out with, but nobody in my world does.
सर्च द नैना मर्डर केस. जी हाँ, और एक एक्ट्रेस जिन्हें मैं बहुत मानता हूं, बहुत सॉलिड है यार, कोंकणा सेन शर्मा. ऑटोमेटिकली रिस्पेक्ट आ जाता था प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, लाइक लिटरली कोंकणा सेन शर्मा, ओ गॉड, सॉलिड होगा. बट सच्चे दिल से बोलो, टू अर्न मनी बहुत आसान होता है, टू अर्न रिस्पेक्ट मेरे अनुसार थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. एंड टू गेट द ग्रेविटास कि ये प्रोजेक्ट अगर कोंकणा कर रही है has to be solid. Was there a strategy behind it? And was that something you worked towards consciously?
Listen, that's so sweet. What a warm and lovely introduction. Thank you so much. No, I have to say that's very sweet. And it's true what you're saying कि पैसा earn कर सकते, respect नहीं earn कर सकते, but ये आपके control में नहीं है actually. Because this is how you, I think, behave and conduct yourself. ना ये आप But how do you control that thing? People have to respect me, izzat karna chahiye or whatever. Then how, it depends on your behavior, no? You can't just like, nahi karna hai to karo. It's not like check your writing. So that is something which I don't feel is in my control at all. There's no strategy at all. Kabhi koi strategy hi nahi raha hai mera. I too am an accidental actress and didn't even want to become an actress. I'm very happy and grateful. Everything turned out very nicely. I'm very grateful. But I'm just saying in the early years when I didn't know, it's not like I had any plans. This one, what happened is, when I got this show ka offer, I was a big fan of, it's an old Danish show. It's an old Danish show called Forbiddelsen, which is a fantastic show. And it's one of the OG shows where, you know, you're talking about a complex female detective character. तो and उसके बाद तो हजारों आए हैं ऐसे, like बहुत सारे आए हैं, mini series or even shows, multiple seasons, etc. So I anyway enjoy this genre. I like true crime and all. So then when I was like, Arey, this is, and you know, I had seen the English version. I had not seen the Danish version originally. They have made many remakes of this. It's a very popular show, I think, for remakes. So I had seen Killing, because Killing was in English. It's more accessible.
जी.
But I have friends जिसने वो Forbiddelsen भी देखे हैं. तो then when I got this offer, तो मैं जाके वो वाला देखा थोड़ा. मतलब few episodes I saw to get the, you know, to revise, because even the Killing I had seen long back. And I was like, Arey wow. And Sarah Lunt, I think her name is, the original. So she's very well known, you know, people who know. So some of my friends were very excited. Arey, you're going to do Sarah Lunt and all. तो देखते हैं.
ठीक, I'm coming back to that. ठीक है, जो आपने बड़े easily बोल दिया कि देखो यार कोई स्ट्रैटेजी नहीं थी, ये नहीं थी. मैं बताता हूँ क्या होता है. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि जो आया उठा ले, बिकॉज मुझे दिखना है. अगर आप अपनी फिल्मोग्राफी देखें तो उसमें क्लियर है कि सारे रोल्स हार्ड हिटिंग्स है, ऑफ बीट है, अलग है, एंड एवरी रोल लाइक दैट. तो कॉन्शियसली तो मुझे लगता होगा, बिकॉज इट्स अ पैटर्न, राइट?
नहीं, actually, you know, if you go to see, I have done some 55-60 films.
जी.
Out of that, I would say 20-25 अच्छे होंगे.
हाँ?
Okay, हाँ. बाकी okay, medium. You know, so it's not like all of them are amazing, because it's not totally in one person's hands. मतलब आप सोच सकते हो कि अच्छा ये तो बड़ा अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट है, अच्छा रोल है, whatever, फिर बाद में जाके बना नहीं ठीक से, you know, or whatever. You can't predict exactly कि स्क्रिप्ट अच्छा लगा तो फिल्म एकदम अच्छी सी बनेगी. It's not something you can really predict like that. So I have to say that, and in a career, I've been working for more than 2 decades. So in a career, you can't consistently be having, you know, like peaks in any case. I'm very lucky that I've got some really good, solid things that have come my way. Very lucky. But there have been some not so great ones. Don't go to the wiki page.
जब आप सेट पे रहती तो ऐसा हो जाता है कि आपकी इंस्टिंक्ट जो अंदर है तो बोलती कि ये नहीं होने वाला है. कैन यू फिगर दैट आउट? कि देखने के बाद आपको लगता है अरे ये नैया डूबी है, क्या है?
नहीं, मुझे पता नहीं चलता. मुझे ये सब कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता है. वाइल शूटिंग पता नहीं चलता. You never know actually what will work. ये भी पता नहीं चलता कि सामने वाला जो एक्टिंग कर रहा है साथ में वो, sometimes my mother or a friend will ask me कि oh so and so is a good actor, I've heard. I'm like, you know, I don't know, I can't tell, because अब जो है वो है, you are reacting to जो है. You know, बाद में when you watch it with hindsight, it's very different. In fact, even shooting के दौरान आप देखो तो मतलब it's even if मतलब अगर आप कुछ बहुत hard hitting, बहुत intense आप कर रहे हो, but during shooting तो it doesn't feel like that ना, because final product आप देख रहे हो, then that, you know, the editing has happened, the music has come, that color correction, the supers, everything, you know, like all of that VFX ये सब हो गया है तो ठीक है. But during shooting तो sometimes it's a bit like you're shooting like 2 minutes. Like for example, I mean, I'm talking to Naina, for example, I'm talking to Naina. You know, we've all seen I mean, hopefully we've seen the trailer where, you know, she's after all the victim whose body is found blue, and then between shots we're sitting and chatting also. So you know, it's good actually that intensity gets mitigated. It's a good thing, because otherwise, how to continue to shoot like that for 1 month?
2 स्कूल ऑफ एक्टिंग होते हैं. एक जैसे अक्षय कुमार कहते हैं कि देखो मैं शूट करता हूँ, कैरेक्टर में घुसता हूँ, व्हेन आई एम डन एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम आउट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. और एक नवाजुद्दीन है और रणवीर कहते हैं कि देखो मैं घुस जाता हूँ कैरेक्टर में, मैं अपने रोल को वापस ले जाता हूँ, एंड आई लिव द रोल, आई ब्रीथ द रोल.
या
आपका क्या है?
तो एक चीज़ आपने मुझे पहले जो पूछा था ना कि दिखना चाहिए, ये इतना है नहीं मेरा कि मतलब दिखना चाहिए तो कुछ भी उठा लूँ. Some reason I have to find something, like either वो ये डायरेक्टर का काम अच्छा है या अच्छे से रोल लिखा गया है और the script is engaging, कभी-कभी script ही boring होता है. So then you don't want to, if you don't want to feel like reading the script only, then you know it's not going to be great. Huh? So that was the Dikhna Wala you had asked earlier, I'd forgotten. Then you asked about the Ghusna Wala. I'm making notes in my head.
I see. Now you're asking Ghusna Wala. I like this. I like how you've given headlines to my
No, because I was
questions.
like, I didn't answer that. No, because you know, this thing, I don't have it as much about coming home. When I, you know, usually shoot, they're usually long days of shoot. We shoot 12 to is minimum. I mean, sometimes it becomes a little more also. It can become. And then I come home, I have a shower, I'm out of it. I learn my lines and all that for the next day. But between takes, you know, the thing that is between takes, like, you know, if I've done one shot and then, you know, you have like 5 minutes for a touch-up reset. That time, yeah, I like to concentrate, especially if it's an intense scene or if there's a lot of Hindi lines. इतने साल के बाद भी ना हिंदी लाइंस मकीज एंड मकाज समटाइम्स
तो डामाडोल है हिंदी आपकी?
गड़बड़ हो जाता है. क्या होगा?
डामाडोल है क्या हिंदी?
डामाडोल मींस?
डामाडोल मीन इधर इधर, उधर इधर, इधर उधर.
हाँ, होता है. हाँ, कीज एंड काज. Because this ling vachan, which is the gender, it is not there in Bengali or in English. It's only there in Hindi and French. I don't speak French.
तो इतने साल बाद भी हाँ?
Maybe I'm not so good with languages.
अरे क्या यार, ये इसको कहते हैं फिशिंग. चल लॉलीपॉप देना फिरा. आई लाइक सम ऑफ द डायलॉग्स इन नैना मर्डर केस. पता कैसे चलेगा बंदा गलत, उसकी टी शर्ट पे लिखा होगा या चेहरे पे. आप कितनी अच्छी हैं जजिंग पीपल? आर यू गुड इन जजिंग?
I think I'm very good at judging people.
सच में?
Yeah. And also, you know, I'm a little cautious kind of person. मैं तो मिलते ही एकदम मतलब friends, I'm not that kind of this thing. I take little time. I mean, I'm friendly. I'm comfortable. I'm friendly mostly, by and large. And I think if something is seeming little off, na, then I avoid.
और ये कैसे जज करती है आपकी थोड़ा ऑफ है? उनके बॉडी लैंग्वेज, बोलने का
नहीं, वो एक गट है.
गट इंस्टिंक्ट्स.
वो थोड़ा शायद गट ही है. क्या ही होगा, वो इंस्टिंक्ट होगा. And it's not like कि bad or anything. It's just like I'm not sure. So I'll proceed with caution.
आपने मुझे बोला 25 प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके बहुत अच्छे रहे और बाकी एवे रहे हैं.
I mean, roughly.
If I told you top 5 कौन से हैं आपके, you can give or take here and there. I'm not saying exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but genuinely बताओ. Where you'd probably tell your grandchildren one day कि देखो ये देखना मेरे, वो कौन से होंगे?
I'm not going to tell my grandchildren to watch anything, please. I'm not even very interested कि मैं मरने के बाद and all. I'm like, I mean, I should enjoy. While I'm living, I should enjoy my work. So you are talking about films that are popular or films that are good or films that are meaningful or what?
Films that matter to you.
That matter to me, personally?
Yeah. Where you explored yourself. You've gone against conventional norms. You've done things where you're proud of yourself. You said, boss, I pat myself on the back.
Oh. Well, 15 Park Avenue is one such film directed by my mother, Aparna Sen, where I play a schizophrenic character. She's based on, a family member. So I feel like I've been preparing for that role my whole life. Like I feel I really did it very well. But I'm actually very self-critical. So if I'm saying that, that means that's cello, that's good only.
फिर
मैंने किया है एक फिल्म किया है दोशोर बोल के, which is Rituparna Ghosh's film. That's also a lovely film. मैंने किया है क्या? I can't remember also. Omkara, I would say, because you know that UP dialect was very difficult for me. Some Western UP dialect I had to speak in. Yeah, it was very tough, and before every scene I would be shaking inside. But वो हो गया, thank God. And now, you know, when I first joined films, we used to do dubbing, ADR. You record the dialogue later. Now it sings out. You have to say it correctly.
तो फिर I'm waiting to hear Wake Up Sid. I'm waiting to hear.
That's why I asked you. You know what is popular?
मेरे मन से बोल दो.
I'm coming. अभी 4 and 5 बचा है ना. बाकी तो है 4 and 5.
हाँ,
so definitely Wake Up Sid is one of them. Wake Up Sid is one of them because till today, you know how people still love Aisha. I can't tell you my character. They really love the characters Sid and Aisha. They love the songs. So that's been very gratifying. Definitely Wake Up Sid. And I would also see, I think, Mr. and Mrs. Iyer. That's my mother's film. which I did early in my career, and I feel it's a very relevant film even today.
In Omkara, how was the experience with Ajay, Saif, all of them?
Very nice, very good.
Is there any anecdote जो आप share कर सकती है behind the scene?
I think the day I came, there was some prank that they had pulled off where I think it was Holi and they had mixed bhang and something to had happened the day I came, because I only kind of saw the aftermath of it. Thank God I was not involved in it.
मैंने सबको पिला रहे थे क्या?
कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ होगा, अभी मेरे को भी याद नहीं है, because ये बहुत साल पहले की बात हो रही है.
Wow. In fact, सर्च के पहले एपिसोड में एक कॉन्वर्सेशन में आपकी माँ का किरदार निभा रही हैं एक्ट्रेस, वो कहती है एक स्टेटमेंट, सक्सेसफुल औरत के पीछे उसकी बुढ़ी माँ का हाथ होता है ना?
In my case, though, definitely, because you know, I didn't want to become an actor. I had done 1-2 films. Then my mother said to do Mr. and Mrs. Iyer, and I was telling her, "Why are you taking me? Just take a Tambram woman." I suggested 1-2 names also. And she tricked me. She said, "No, no, no. You go to Madras and you do my Chennai and you do my research and all." And then I did that film, and it changed my. I think perhaps it changed my career trajectory. I won a national award for that film. Many more people got to know about me. I got offered Page 3. So it was a turning point in many ways for me.
और Page 3 का experience हर जगह बात हो रही थी, because people were saying जो होता था real life में was actually shown on the big screen as well. Another national award-winning film.
Oh my God, it's so long ago. It's my first film in Bombay. I hadn't even moved. Is it my first film in Bombay? I feel like I'd done Naseeruddin Shah's film, Yun Hota To Kya Hota as well, just before that. It was all around the same time. Yeah, Page 3, I wasn't even living in Bombay. I was living out of Sun and Sand Hotel. We were shooting. I would come and shoot for, a few days, for a few months. I would come and go a lot. And there were these huge setups of these parties. And Madhu would be on the mic speaking. And I was all very new and bewildering to me. मुझे लगता था ये तो पता ही नहीं, मतलब ठीक है ये फिल्म कर रही हूँ, देखते हैं इसके बाद नहीं करूँगी मैं फिल्म्स, I also have to get a job and all. So I never even took it so seriously.
अब जॉब ढूंढ रही थी क्या?
हाँ, मैं तो बहुत दिन से, मतलब मुझे लग रहा था कि अब तो now I'll have to get a real job and all. अब मुझे नहीं बननी थी ना उस टाइम एक्ट्रेस.
My God. And then these things happened to you.
And then I think I realized one day that I am an actor. So I better just now be grateful and quietly do my work.
Has there been any film जहाँ पे आपको लगा कि आपने अच्छी एक्टिंग नहीं की है? Any film in which you look back and you say, I could have done better?
है, but मैं नहीं बताऊंगी.
नहीं, नाम बताओ, पर क्या लगा आपको?
है ऐसा 1-2 films है. And more than 1-2 film, it's like 1 or 2 shots or 1 or 2 scenes where I can tell that, I don't know, because it's not a tangible thing. It's not like, मैं जिम में जाके इतना लिफ्ट करूँगी तो इतना मसल होगा, ऐसा तो है नहीं ना. मतलब your intention में भी कि मैं बहुत अच्छे से करूँगी, but it's not completely in your control.
Like another thing that I'd love to talk to you about is Lipstick Under My Burqa.
That's right. My gosh, I'd forgotten. That was also a lovely experience. I'm so glad you brought it up.
Yeah. So tell me, what does that film mean to you? Lipstick Under My Burqa, because it was such an impactful role.
It was. And I was working with Alankrita Srivastav for the first time. After that, I worked with her in Dolly Kitty as well. But that film was with Ratna, Ahana, Plabita, and Vikrant. Vikrant Masi was acting in that film. And I was thinking of him for my film, the one I directed, Death in the Gunj. And I remember Alankrita telling me, yeah, he's very good. You can consider him. So that was a very good thing, actually, that happened. Because I went on that film. I didn't have any scenes with him, but, I saw him acting and I got to know. Anyway, I was thinking about him to cast him in my own film. It was a great film. I had a great experience. We were shooting in Bhopal. My son was very small at that time, so I'd taken him with me, him and his nanny. And, one thing which happens is for me, it happens. I don't know about other people. When you read a script, you imagine the film in your head. So it has some kind of an impact. When you watch the final product, you're watching a complete final product, it has an impact. But during the shooting, it's not such an intense experience for me. I mean, you're saying lipstick under my burqa because there was a lot of controversy at that time because of the censor board. Because they were not giving it a censor certificate. It took time. There was some fight about that. It took some time. It got a lot of media attention. It was an unusual film. It portrayed things which was different from the mainstream films. So it has that kind of an impact, maybe, I don't know, on some of the audiences who watched it. But like, the shooting of it was lovely. We were in Bhopal, there was great food, it was a gang of girls. We had a great time. Ratna's van was only full of like goodies. And she gets like all, what is it called? Farsan or whatever, like all the goodies she gets in a van. We would go there and eat and chill, and it was great. It was not even so intense.
पर मुझे बताओ, मैं नोटिस कर रहा हूँ ये सारे रोल्स में आप कह रहे हो बड़ी effortlessly मेरा रोल हो गया, बस it just happened. There must be one role which must have shaken you up. वो कौन सा है?
So it doesn't happen. See, my mother's film Rapist, it's a very hard-hitting, intense film, okay? During the shooting, it's not. It's not like that. The shooting atmosphere is not like that. There are so many people coming, going. I mean, even right now, it might seem like this is an intimate chat between you and me, but here there are 20 people. So it's not actually what it seems, right? We know that, actually. There are some films which have been more tricky than others. One of them was Omkara, for sure, because of the dialect. So mostly it's that kind of thing which is tricky for me. Or like in my mother's film, Goinar Baksha, the jewelry box, I had to do a stutter. So then I'd be like, oh, I have to really do the stutter properly. Or like in, it's actually more scary to direct, you know, because then you're kind of holding the whole project together. You're an actor, like there are so many other elements coming together. So like in the film Amu, Shonali Bose's debut feature, I think, called Amu, which is on the 84 riots, I had to do an American accent. So वो accent, it doesn't come to me so easily. So all that उसमें मेहनत करनी पड़ती.
Metro life in a metro.
Easy, so fun, I can't tell you. मतलब पता ही नहीं चला shoot कर रहे हैं हम. Because ज़्यादा. He one day he'll say नहीं आज ना shooting नहीं करेंगे, आज चलो mutton बनाएंगे. मतलब it was just very real. And then with Pankaj, it becomes only very easy when you're working with, talented individuals who are not all the time stressing or caught up in like ego battles and things like that. And anyway, I avoid anyway people.
But tell me about the first one, Irfan Dada ke saath. Can you walk down some memories with me as well?
He is also like this only, by the way.
I think
he is also like this. Huh? You are very casual and cool and relaxed.
Huh? हमको लगता है वो आते होंगे सेट में, अरे भाई.
मेरे साथ तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं. बहुत कैजुअली हम बात करते थे. काम के बारे में बात कम ही होता था. ये कुछ खाना या शूट या नसीर भाई और some, because we were also doing यूं होता तो क्या होता. अरे ये तो बहुत बढ़िया हुआ है. Max.
When I look back at your journey, एक टाइम था जब लोग ये बहुत बड़ा डिस्कशन करते थे कि ये एक्टर या एक्ट्रेस आर्ट हाउस सिनेमा है, ये एक्टर एक्ट्रेस कमर्शियल सिनेमा में, एंड द चॉइसेस दैट यू मेड इनिशियली लोग कहते थे आर्ट हाउस सिनेमा है. अब तो लाइंस ब्लर्ड है, राइट? बट उस वक्त क्या बैटल होता था? व्हाट वाज दिस होल थिंग कि अच्छा कोंकणा है तो आर्ट हाउस है. अभी नहीं होता है, बट इट यूज्ड टू हैपन.
कुछ बैटल ही नहीं था. यू सी, अब दूसरे लोग क्या बोल रहे नहीं बोल रहे, नंबर वन, इट्स रियली इरेलेवेंट टू मी. How people are saying, how people are perceiving, that's really irrelevant to me. कि मतलब वो लोग क्या किसको क्या बुला रहे, मतलब it is nothing to do with me actually. I am trying to find a project that I find interesting. Something I have to find, to relate. Like either I've liked the director, or I've liked the role, or I've liked the script, or whatever it is. Now then after that, once it's out, what other people are saying, art house or not. I mean, I've even done Laga Chunari Mein Daag or something, I've even worked in the Ashraj or Dharma or whatever. I don't know now, let people call what they want to call. People love labels and definitions. It makes them feel safe. ये है, ये वो है, बस ठीक है, अलग है. करने दो, ठीक है.
The Dharma YRF experiences. क्या जब आप YRF के साथ काम करते हो, धर्मा के साथ होते हो, तो जैसे बाहर होता है धर्मा फिल्म है, YRF फिल्म है, do you approach it like any other film, or does it really make you feel wow?
The reason I brought it up is because to show that ki art house and more commercial. And even when I have done those commercial films, those are those studios ka art house films. Like Wake Up, it is not considered big. It's considered a slightly independent-ish kind of film within the Dharma stable. Right? Or Aaja Na Chale, for example, which is the great Anil Mehta, the cinematographer, his directorial debut, which I had done with Yash Raj, which was Madhuri Dixit's comeback film. I mean, for them, it's not their commercial film, if you see the YRF stable. Okay.
But, you're right, actually.
Yeah. So, whose art house is what? Like, your art house may be something else, my art house may be something else. So, best to leave the definitions and labels behind. It doesn't really make a bloody difference.
वो कौन सा रोल है जो लोगों ने कहा यार कोंकणा मत कर यार, मत कर ये, and you took it up and you took that challenge and you did it.
मुझे कौन क्या ही मना करेगा? मेरे पेरेंट्स ही नहीं कभी कुछ मना किया. I was not brought up like that. I mean, I took my own decisions from a young age. When I was 5 years old, my parents asked me, do you want to be Konkona Sen or Konkona Sharma? I was like, oh, if I say Sen, my father will feel bad. If I say Sharma, my mother will feel bad. So let me just do Sen Sharma. Then my whole school life, I was like, oh my God, I have the longest surname in the whole class. So my parents, so I've always taken my own decisions. So no, mujhe kaun kya hi mana karega? Some things you think would have done better, maybe they didn't. That happens.
Which are the risks you're proud of? Let me put it this way.
Aaja Na Chale was not a big commercial success. But I cannot tell you what fun we had on set. Like, it was like one of the best on-set experiences ever. In fact, it led me to believe that maybe the more fun you have on set, the worse the film does. And the least fun you have, the better the film does. Could be.
ऐसा होता है क्या?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होगा शायद. I was just, at that time, I was considering it.
माधुरी दीक्षित और आप, great actress, आप भी, you worked with Rani as well.
Yes.
These are the actresses. मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ उन लोग से.
मैं भी.
Yeah. Tell me, what did you take away from them? Did you actually become like friends with Madhuri, Rani?
She was amazing. You know, I was much younger then. And I think like she was just the epitome of grace and, you know, good manners and very friendly and everything. But it's not like we were friends and like hanging out after set or anything, obviously.
Rani?
No, we were not like, I was in awe of Rani. Like when we first met only, I was like, oh my God, I'm working with Rani. And I just love her work. But it's not like we became friends. You know, I don't usually make friends like that on a set anyway. I have a lot of friends who are not from the film industry. Or at least very peripherally in the film industry. So, and I sometimes don't even get time to meet those friends. So, it's not like I make a lot of friends on set. You know, my friends are on set, I can count by hand, just on my fingers, very few. But on page 3, Sandhya Mridul, Tara Sharma and I became very good friends. We're still friends.
क्या बात. But ऐसा क्यों है कि आप friends नहीं बनाते हो sets पे? Is it because आप घुल मिल नहीं जाते हो बड़े आसानी से? You take your time? Or you feel this is my office तो दोस्ती नहीं करनी है?
No, listen, I like to relax and enjoy myself. I don't want to have a kind of a tense atmosphere. So, I am friendly. But it's a project. You're entering that project for a month or two. So, I mean, for example, there is one, like, you know, for example, my friend Priyanka, we became friends on a film. And we have maintained that friendship. So, it does happen. It's not like it doesn't happen. But it doesn't happen that often. I mean, firstly, I'm very lucky to have a full and rich life. You know, in the sense like anyway, my life is very full. So it's not like I'm seeking out friendships or looking to hang with people. It's not like that. I like to enjoy myself on set. अब उसके बाद naturally अगर कुछ friendships बन गए तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं बने तो भी ठीक है.
So I want to understand कि enriching life आपके अनुसार क्या है? What are the things that enriches your life?
That's a lovely question.
सच्चे दिल से, because everyone's chasing something else. I want you to tell me that.
I want to reduce and lessen. Less. I think a rich inner life is something that is meaningful.
Rich inner life का मतलब?
Rich inner life का मतलब जैसे
peace.
Maybe peace. And you know, it might be different for different people. For some people it may be, but anyway, forget other people. I'm talking about myself. So what is a rich, meaningful life for me? So, you know, I feel I should have work that is invigorating. right? Work that excites me. Work that I earn well from so I can look after myself and my family. I should have good relationships with the people I love. Actually, for me, that's like the most important thing in life. The people I love and my relationships with them. My friendships, my relationships, my family, my friends. All of that is very important to me. And my time with myself, my alone time. So if I don't get alone time, then I just become a horrible person. Because I become cranky. Yeah. So I like to have some downtime on my own also. You know, so or like, I want to have time where I can also daydream. And I have so many books and movies and shows to watch. My list is just, I'm just not being able to catch up. I have to want to eat at this restaurant. I want to go to that gallery, or whatever. Like there's that film festival or, a friend's birthday. We're all traveling somewhere. I want to do all of those things. And I do many things.
यानी कि मैंने notice किया, that means, correct me if I'm wrong, यानी कि films are not everything for you. Like बहुत से लोग कहते हैं films मेरा DNA है, मेरा coexistence है. This is what I was made for. You give priority to other things as well.
See, first priority is humanity. That's the first priority, human beings. So, my work is very important to me and I have a very strong work ethic. I'll always, by and large, be prepared, ready, on time, professional. So, my work is very important to me. But human beings are more important than any work. So it doesn't matter what your work is. If you're treating people badly, then you're a piece of shit.
Have you ever been treated unkindly on the set at any time?
Hardly.
You, because of the persona that you create or the persona that you have?
I don't know why. Maybe it is what you give. I don't know. There are no rules like that in life. I wish there were, but I don't know why. I mean, I'm not really going out and offending anybody or really. I'm very happy to let people do their thing, and I mean, I can get a little irritable sometimes, maybe, but I try. I think everybody's always trying to be a better person, by and large.
जैसे नैना वेब सीरीज के एक डायलॉग के अकॉर्डिंग एसीपी संयुक्ता कहती है, आ एनिवर्सरी, बर्थडेज, फेस्टिवल्स, सब में आप काम करते हो और पीछे कोई इंतजार करने वाला नहीं रहता है. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. आप बैलेंस कर लेते हो?
I try every day. Sometimes I fail and sometimes I succeed. That's a tough one. It's tough for everyone.
But I admire कि जैसे आप काम करते हो and you have a wonderful son as well, and I love like जब मैं स्कूल में आता हूँ, you're there when there's a sports activity, you're sitting there and you're watching things, and I've seen you quite a few times. Our kids are in the same school. It's beautiful. It shows how you give 100% to your family.
And I'm sure you do the same.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. And people fight this battle कि calm, work-life balance वगैरह वगैरह. ये आपको difficult होता है करना?
कभी-कभी मुश्किल होता है. Because you know what happens is, I'll tell you, I don't have too many relatives in Bombay, in Mumbai. I don't have I hardly have. Most of my relatives are in Calcutta, isn't it? Kolkata. How names have all changed, Anyway, nowadays my son is always correcting me. Mumbai, not Bombay. And if I say Madras, so you won't even know what I'm talking about.
Chennai.
Chennai. So, that is a little tough because sometimes, for work one has to travel also. So that I have to plan it. I do travel for work, obviously, but I have to plan it very well. I have to plan it in advance. And also because I do want to be present. Because, you think सिर्फ छोटे बच्चों को attention चाहिए ज़्यादा. Teenage years में नहीं चाहिए होता है. लेकिन चाहिए होता है बहुत. Like, firstly, like I was saying, there's a lot of admin around a kid who's in class 9 or 10.
Yeah, admin manager.
I live my life in service of other people. People I love. Otherwise, why would I be in service? So,
in fact, एक और dialogue reference, and I love the dialogues of the series. Social media पर चुनाव जीत गए. Do you actually believe social media celebrities को बनाता है, तोड़ता है?
Social media, including, can make or break an election, as has happened, I think, in the US. And there are, I think, documentaries on it. So there's a lot of damage that social media is just a small part of it. Also because they spend billions of dollars, you know, on social media to shape and steer narratives, which affects everything from children to politics. In Australia, they've banned social media for children under 16, which is so commendable. It's amazing. Right? You see a lot of that in the show. In the Search, Naina Murder, you'll see a lot of this because the victim, after all, Naina, is somebody who, she's a young girl, she's in college. So my character, Surya's character, we are uncovering her life. We're slowly getting to know what is happening in this, amongst whatever the dark underbelly of youth culture, whatever you want to call it. You know, that in the digital space, what is happening? Who are our kids talking to? Like, for example, like this Siris and the Alexas and the Chat GPTs. You know, you can't have a relationship with them. You can't, like, this is a very dangerous thing. You can't be asking Chat GPT about feelings. You know, you have to learn to inculcate these values in children so that we can form bonds with other human beings. Right? That's very important. That's very dangerous. Because also they're spending so much money on these things now to keep us addicted, to keep the users addicted. I just want to say one thing, you know, how dating culture nowadays, you know what I hear?
What do you hear?
You know, they are making relationships on just chatting. So you're just chatting, so you're just typing. Okay?
मैंने एक दूसरे को देखा नहीं है या देखा है?
मिला नहीं है अभी तक. देखा हुआ होगा, I don't know, वीडियो कॉल में कितना हो रहा है, I don't know.
पता चला किसी को आप I love you बोल रहे हैं, चैट जीपीटी अच्छा मैसेज देना भाई.
हाँ, so that's why I'm saying, if you get used to intimacy on typing, now whether the person on the other end is a real person or a chat GPT, then it's not mattering. That's what I'm trying to say. If this is already normalized to have a relationship just on typing and texting, then who is on the other end of the screen? Is it a human being or is it an AI chat GPT situation? That's a very dangerous situation to be in.
मैंने notice किया है, whenever they say Konkona Sen Sharma, it's given good actress, solid actress, performer, lot of adjectives, ठीक है? Have you ever, you are a star and you are a star for me and everyone is there as well. But, you know, what does the word stardom mean to you? How do you define that? And is that important for you?
What an interesting question. You know, when I grew up in Calcutta, my mother was a star.
Sure.
It was a smaller pond and she was a big fish. That's how I grew up, right? And then she switched to directing. So I saw also the other side of it. Like directing films which are little alternative, like a little different, not like full mainstream Bengali films, it's like mainstream Hindi films. But she was doing like more arty kind of, you know, independent cinema in Bengali, and how difficult the funding and everything is for that. I really never considered myself a star. I don't consider myself a star. I'm a working actor. And I'm very happy to be a working actor. And actually I'm fairly comfortable with my level of fame because it allows me a lot of advantages as well.
How do you define your level of fame?
Matlab, my life, I'm quite comfortable the way I'm operating in the world. Sometimes then I forget sometimes that people can recognize me and then I'm like, shit, I should have gotten ready properly because like I'll go to watch a film or I'll be at the airport and then people will want selfies and then sometimes I can be so khadoos. Like if I'm in the security check line, I get very frazzled. They got your electronics, oh shit, acha, AirPods, oh my chargers. And that time somebody says selfie, I'm just like, no. And then I can scold people also.
Yeah. तो ये बताओ मुझे एक बार एक बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार ने मुझसे कहा कि he says, I love people around me because the day I enter a restaurant and someone doesn't recognize me, it's going to hurt me. Would you be happy sitting in a corner of a restaurant, sipping coffee and reading that book that you like reading and no one recognizes you? Would you be comfortable with that?
Yeah, that's not a priority or a concern of mine, whether people are recognizing me or not. That's not that is an after effect of the work that I do. It's not the reason I'm working.
No. They always say that actors need people around them because they need validation from people around them.
You know, I think certain personalities do. There are certain personalities, they needn't be actors. There are some personalities who just need people, So they could just be the grandmom at home. Okay. There are some personalities like that. I'm not one of those. In fact, I grew up very quiet, shy, introverted, reading, bullied to a certain extent.
You bullied with what?
I was bullied a little bit in school. Yeah, I was bullied a little bit.
For what, Baba?
I think, what happens is there's nothing in particular, but what happens, I mean, it was not a very huge and very traumatic bullying, but there was a certain amount of bullying. Today we are friends with you, today you can play with us, today you can, this happens, this kind of shit goes on. And that's okay, it's okay. So I was quite a quiet child. I like to blend and be invisible. I prefer to watch rather than being watched.
You're okay not being the center of
I'm
attention.
okay to not be recognized at a restaurant. In fact, sometimes when I think, nobody can really tell I'm here and I'm fully dabawing, and then suddenly somebody asks me, and then suddenly somebody's asking me for a photograph, I feel betrayed. I was like, yeah, here I was behaving as though, I'm just, and then now this person has recognized me. Then I feel bad also. Then I'm like, shit, I should have dressed up a little bit.
Would you like dressing up in general?
It depends on my mood. Sometimes I enjoy it and sometimes I don't.
But my big question is, like they say, because it's related to my name, and a lot of times when I saw Wake Up Sid, I started relating to it. And I'm telling you very honestly, हाँ, तो मुझे बोलता था, मैं जाता था कॉलेज में Wake Up Sid, कोई चिल्लाता था ऐसे types.
So sweet.
आप possibility है for another part of that? Are there conversations around that? Or Wake Up Sid, another part, you run
No, not at all. Not at all that I've heard anything.
But you
I don't know who's waking up Sid nowadays.
Are you in touch with Ranbir? Because your chemistry with him was unbelievable.
No, we're not. But once in a while we bump into each other here and there. Either Ayan or Ranbir or Karan. I'm the most in touch with Karan because I've ended up doing more work with him somehow. Not the films or something, than these two. But we're always very warm and affectionate when we meet.
My last question. When I see you do these roles that you do, people say you carry the project on your shoulders, right? Yeah, it's a solid role which makes you define what the show is all about, like in this case as well. I'm sure there are great actors with you as well. But I've never noticed that I've heard, अच्छा ये कोंकणा इस कैंप में है, इस ग्रुप में है, ये नहीं है. Does that put pressure on you? Because you're actually cracking the code without having these groups.
I've not understood anything. I don't know what code, what camp, I don't know. I'm trying to do my work nicely. I'm trying to live an interesting life, as per me. Now, after that, what camp, code, strategy, I don't know. I don't care. I'm not even interested at all.
But thank you so much.
Thank you.
And please tell the ACP, आप दोनों का जो banter चलता है.
हाँ, Surya ना.
हाँ, बहुत.
I'm really missing him during the promotions. I was telling them.
पर क्या banter है यार, हाँ? जो आप खिंचाई करती है उनकी, one-liners.
He is doing more. My character is a little more mature and letting him be ठीक है, बात करो kind of thing. Then once in a while, she really gives it back. You're reminding me of my teenage daughter. Stop talking so much. That's my favorite line.
Do you like giving it back to people also at times? कि नहीं?
Yeah, if I need to, then I will.
You will, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And
Thank
I'm so
you.
proud of you.
Oh, so
right?
sweet.
And I love the fact that you like spending time with yourself. And I'm going to give you a quick gift. Okay, a small gift.
That's
from
so
my
sweet.
side to you.
Oh.
My wife Neha started Kawai Cosmetics, perfume for kids.
Oh,
water-based, no
lovely.
alcohol, vitamin E, and even grown-ups are using
Should I
it.
choose the blue one?
Please,
because I have No. I must choose the pink one.
You can take the blue
Let
one
me
too.
take the yellow, which is gender neutral.
Take both.
I just want to say quickly, I personally don't believe that colors are for genders. But sometimes kids who are growing up may feel that.
So good. So Kawai means cute.
Oh, does it?
Yeah. So this is for you. And
Thank
you can use it. Your son can use it.
Yeah.
And give all your love to Neha because she's worked very hard on this.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thank you so much, Neha. I'm looking forward to using this.
Thank you so much.
Thank
and like
you.
I keep saying, it's so refreshing
Lovely
to
too.
meet someone who doesn't take herself too seriously.
I don't know who you're hanging out with, but nobody in my world does.
Coconut, thank you.
I'm very bad at giving. I keep missing the high five.
Thank you, Baba.